today I am focusing on decluttering my whole house again. I have been in a state of purging the last, I don't know, couple weeks for sure. And I did a big whole house declutter earlier this year, so I do have a video on that. But now that we're actually in the pre-moving stages and like getting ready to think about packing and everything, I just really want to minimalize even more. I just keep purging and stuff. Last week I tackled a lot of my home decor. Got rid of quite a bit of Christmas things. I'm not gonna be doing too much of that today, but I'm just gonna go make a whole swoop through my house again and kind of see what I can get rid of. And also, I wanted to mention, today I am collaborating with my good friend Addie. I know a lot of you guys have heard me talk about her, but she is one of my besties here on YouTube, and we are going to be decluttering, like I mentioned. So I'm not sure what all she's going to be doing, if she's going to be doing her whole house or what, but she's going to be doing decluttering as well. So make sure you go check out her channel. She's a mom of 3 little girls. They're beautiful, and I know you guys will love her, so make sure that you go check out her video as well. So without further ado, let's just get started. All right, so I've got a big Lowe's box here that I'm just gonna put stuff in. The boys already put some toys in here. So hopefully we can keep them in that mode of wanting to get rid of things, but I'm not sure how much I'll actually have to take out of our closets. Probably not a whole lot, but I just want to go through everything. Telling you, this little shark eye on here is bomb.com. I'm serious. It was sent to me by a shark, and it has so much suction, like it'll suck up the linoleum out in the kitchen, like it's not glued down or whatever, but like it'll pull it up if you go against it. I mean, this thing, I have my kitchen right now, and it's just really handy because I can just quickly sweep up little crumbs and stuff, but it has, let me see, somewhere it has another attachment to go on the front. There's like a little stick you can put on, and then it also has this one, so it's perfect for like cars. I've used it out to clean out my car and everything. So if I remember, I'm gonna try and link this below because this thing is legit, you guys. Alright, there's not a lot that I have to declutter here in the kitchen because I've kind of pared down already. But I'll do some more probably when I pack. I don't know. Some things I still want now, and maybe at the last minute I'll decide that I don't want to take it down, but for now, there's not a lot to do in the kitchen at least. I'm upstairs in the playroom now, or I'm gonna work on the upstairs. Downstairs I filled most of that box full, so now I started another one. The other one it's just heavy enough that I want to fill it full enough. It's just laden with miscellaneous things and everything. But I'm gonna start up here. I don't know how much I'll collect because, yeah, I don't know. I've been purging, but you know, you can always seem to find more, it seems like. I told the boys to make a pile of stuff they don't want. That's supposedly their pile, but I think I might keep a couple of those items. Something that I am not really sure usually how to handle is all of the pictures that I still have. I used to print out so many pictures, and I've gotten rid of a lot, and I've scrapbooked a lot, and I put like a bunch of photo books together and stuff, and that's what I'll probably keep doing because I'm not currently printing too many more pictures, but I just don't know what to do with all the old ones. Like, I don't know, like I feel like I should keep a lot of them, or at least, you know, the ones of family and stuff, because what if we lose some other types of files or something? But I don't know, it's one of those things, like, I don't look at them very much, and so it's a little perplexing to me as to what to do with them. So I guess I'll just try and weed through them a little bit and get rid of as much as I can. Still a favorite of mine. There's one of Caden again in Florida at like 6 months old, and my little Jackie. So this is in one of our attics, and this is where I mostly keep like my extra decor and stuff. So most of this I'm going to be taking, and it's pretty well boxed up. Plus I emptied out quite a few tubs so I can pack stuff in that. I'm really happy about that. And out here I already have some books in boxes, and I have some jars. I'm not sure how many I'm going to take with me. I really don't do a lot of canning. So I'm going to try and figure out what to do with that. That's stuff that I need to go through again. And there's not a whole lot in here. Some of these I'm going to hang on to until the end of, like, until we move. So then probably donate the vacuum. This is trash here. And then this stuff was upstairs. This is just, I don't know, a bunch of miscellaneous stuff mostly. And this was from the boys' room. There's some clothes in the bottom, some Pampers, a fan heater thing, this chair, which is kind of sad maybe to get rid of, but they honestly don't use it very much, and it's getting a little small for them and stuff. But so I'm just gonna, yeah, let it have a new home. And then I have this organizer tray thing, but I think I'm just gonna donate that as well. So yeah, that's what I have to donate. I think I'll see if I can sell the table. So I'm gonna go load the stuff into the Yukon. Hopefully I can get it all in so that we can take it over either tonight or tomorrow maybe. And then call it good. Put it up however it's easy for you, but it's really, I find it so freeing to not have so much stuff around. And obviously everyone's definition of how much is going to be different, but I just don't want to take anything extra along, and I feel really good about what I purged today and everything. So I'm sure I'll be doing a little bit more when I'm actually coming down to packing some things that I don't want to get rid of just yet. But I hope it gave you guys some help in some way. And yeah, so make sure you go check out Addie's video and her channel. And that's it, guys. If you are coming over from there, please subscribe if you so wish. And if you don't know this, we are moving to Florida. I know that if you're coming over, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I have some videos if you guys want to go check that out. But yeah, we're in the process of moving to Florida, so thought I'd throw that in there if you want to tag along for the journey. So my phone keeps beeping over there, so I better go answer it. All right, guys, have a good one, and I will see you later. Bye.